Hello everyone, myself Nitish Kumar Komravelli. I am a CS graduate student of Spring 2022. Let me give you a brief background about me. I do have a work experience and I do have an industrial experience of around 17 months where I worked as an AWS cloud engineer. I do work as a front-end developer. I do work as a back-end developer. I hope this is my brief introduction and we are going to discuss about the HTML list in today's class. And at the end, what you gonna take back? What are the things which we gonna cover in this class are what are the lists, what are the HTML list, what are the type of a list, is syntax of the list, and and I will also show a live demonstration of each list. Before jumping into the HTML list, let me give a HTML background, brief background. So that if you have an HTML background, it's well and good. Or if you don't have, this would be helpful for better understanding of the list. And where do we use generally a HTML? The web pages which we see in the search engine or in the internet are developed by HTML. So what does that means that every soul of a web page is developed by the HTML. No, HTML have a two type of tags: ordered tags, so paid tags and paid tags. What does paid tags means? Paid tags are the tags which do have a start tag and end tag. What does an unpaid tax? Where it contains only a start tag, but they do not contain an unpaid end tag. Here we do have an HTML add body as an paid tax, where BR as an unpaid tax. Give you a thought for a while. Why do BR considered as an unpaid tag, and why do this HTML embody as an considered as a paid tax? Okay, if you get, it's a well and good. If you don't get, no worry. I'll give you an idea. Where HTML has an open tag and end tag, body has an start tag, end tag, head has start tag, end tag, where BR doesn't have an end tag. So it's called an unpaid tags. These are all considered as an paid tags. I hope this brush your basics. If you don't have idea, if if you have an idea, I hope this got brushed, and if you don't have idea, I hope this would give a basic idea of HTML. And now comes to the lists. Before going or before jumping into the HTML list, let us discuss what's the list actually. The lists are the things which we do in our day-to-day life are very and the lists are very common in our day-to-day life. Let us discuss where do we use. I mean, for suppose the things to be done in the particular day comes under the list. Uh, and the procedure of doing a particular dish comes under a list. And when we type or when we search suppose department in the rankers, we do get each department and the brief of that department, like computer science that department, biomedical that department, that comes under that's one type of a list. So there is a different scenario, different case for, and these all are comes under one list family. So we'll discuss which type or which case comes under which type of list. So there are three types of the list in the HTML. One is order list, unorder list, and description list. We'll discuss further what's the each one, like what's an order list means and what example of order list and the syntax of order list, and I'll give a live demonstration of order list in a similar way of for an order list and description list. What are unordered lists? Unordered lists are the lists where the order doesn't matter. in the sense if you interchange the order, it doesn't affect the outcome. Like if you do a third item as a first or first item as a third, it doesn't affect. Like if will I will show you what does it mean in the live demonstration. And let us see the syntax of an order list. You see that, yeah, every block of an order list starts with ul and ends with the slash ul, and every item in the unordered list starts with li and ends with the slash li. Ul stands for unordered list, and if you want another block, you need to start again as a ul, and you use we need to add the items to be added into that particular list, and we need to close that list. We'll see in the live demonstration. Now let us go to the live demonstration. See, this is an unordered list one. For every web, as I said before, only every web page will have an HTML tags, body tags. Like I mean, this is an HTML open tag, body open tag, a body close tag, and HTML close tag. And this is the unordered list block, where it starts with the UL and ends with the slash UL, where the items of this list are apple, orange, and pizza, where each item starts with the li and at the end we need to close by slash li. Now let us see the outcome of this unordered list. See, you observe that unordered lists are apple, orange, pizza. This is an unordered list, but I usually don't like a circle. Do it's the only thing which I can use? No, you can use a square or something else. Wow, really, right? How can we change it? Now let us see. How can we change this circle to then square? It's very simple. You need to go type is equals to square and close. Now let us go and see, does it affect? See, yeah, we got change. I mean, the list got changed. We do observe a squares. Now let us try with the rectangle. Wow, what happened? We did not get a rectangle. We got the circles. That's the thing. If the HTML supports to that particular shape, it displays that particular shape. If it doesn't support, it will align to the back to the normal or default one. Yeah, for another list, the default one is in a circle. This is, and if you want to have another block, what shall we do? Now simple. UL starting for the block, li, what we'll do, computer science, computer bio, for closing the block. Let's see what's happening. See, you do have any, this as a separate one, this and a separate, this is one block and this is a one block. This is all about the order list. Now let us go to the order list. What does the order list mean? The order list are the thing where the order matters a lot, where the each and every step should be done sequential, or else it will affect us. Here is the syntax of order list, where voil is used for starting of the block and the li is used for the listing of each item in the that particular order list. Your voil is used for an starting of the black block, slash voil is used for the ending of the block, and li is used for the starting of the item in the order list, and slash li is used to indicate that it is an ending of that particular task. It's similar to the u under unordered list, like where unordered list as an ul, for order list we do have an ol. Now let us jump to the live demonstration. See here you can see a live code for an order list, where we do have a similar to an order list html body open and close tags, and voil and slash voil and the list li for the respective items in the ordered list. Voil stands for order list. It as the starting of the particular block. It indicates the starting of the particular block. Li apple, orange, pizza, burger are the items in that particular list, and the closing of that particular list. Now let us see the outcome of this thing. Now we have seen that order lists are one, two, three, four. Apple, orange, pizza, burger. It's great, right? And weird. I don't like an 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to use an A, B, C, D. Do it's possible? Give you a thought? Yes, it's possible. It's simple. You need to type A. See, it got reflected. In the similar way, you're gonna have lowercase. In the similar way, you're gonna have Roman letters. Yeah, and if you wanna start a list from 100 or something, so that can you can we do? Give you a thought. Like for Apple, it should start from 100 or something. Can we do? Yes, you can. Start with 100. See, 100, 101, 102, 103. In the similar way, you think that there is a case that a pizza should start from 200 or something, and it should get separated from the fruits. Can we do that? Yes, we can do it just by adding a value 100. Now it's got changed that 100, 101, 200, 201. Here we have altered the order so that it starts from 200, and the next items which come after 200 will be like 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, something else. And there would be a case where you want uh, items to be listed as 10987 instead of 12345. It's a possible just to type reversed, and you see 43219, it got listed, right? Yeah, it's these are the types of ordered list. Now let me give a review of today's class. We have discussed what is an HTML list, what are the lists, where do we use the list, and we have discussed an order list, what is an order list, a list where the order doesn't matter, and we have seen the syntax of each one, and we have discussed what is the order list and what are the type of what is the order list and the syntax of order list, and how do we need to change the listing variable as numerals, capital case, lower case, Roman letter, and also we have seen that if we want to start from a middle as some other number, or if we want to start with a different case or some other than 1 2 3 or the ABC, we we have seen that. And in the middle of the list, do you want to alter the order? We have seen that. So hope it's you got an idea. Now